bolts in there. Yep. Okay, we haven't got the correct bolt for in here. Still that stupid screw they had in there. Which was this. So little plate fit in there like it's supposed to now. Nice thread. Of course, there's no way of getting to that bolt. Put that one up at an angle. The flashlight. Right there. Yeah, lock washers. Screw me over there. Can't jam it in there. So you have no access to the bolt head to turn it, unless you have some kind of fancy 180-degree bent wrench. Lock washers in my way. Okay, that's as close as I can get to where I need to be with it. So 90% of your holding power is going to be with this bolt here you can get to. Okay, now we need to get our nuts off the top up here. Oh. Stupid automatic advances only have a rivet in there, see? So that means we got to try to re-rivet it, to tighten it up a little bit. So that's going to be interesting. So I'm going to have to swedge this button out a little bit. So I'll do that with a couple punches. So I'm going to grab me a couple punches, I'll be back. Okay, to hold this in a vise like this, I get the point out, so I take the point apart to get off, and then I see it's all been beat on over here and it doesn't work right, and the point is tight. See, it should be floating right now. See, that's tight, which would cause problems while it's running, because it's going to cause a misfire, which he was complaining about. So I got to try to get this thing off, like that. So that's not supposed to come off that way. You see how somebody's been sanding on it and trying to make it round, but they didn't do a very good job making it round. They got a big punch mark on it right there. So we got some more issues involved. Every time we touch another part, another piece is bad. Okay. So I'm going to try to get this as close as I can to where I need to hold it. Okay, I got multiple punches here. I got a center punch, a radius punch, and a flat punch. So first we hit it with a straight center punch. To see if it'll tighten up any. I'm going to hit it with a ball punch to spread it. I'm going to hit it with a flat punch to crease it down. And see, none of those make it tight. So a little further with it. Okay, so we tightened up a little bit now. So now it's tightened up. Got a little bit of an angle to it, but it's tight. Okay, so we got that part which should be runnable, but we got to check it to see if there's any shorts in the system. So we can pull out our own meter. If it's short of the ground, it's no good. See, right now it's insulated. See, that goes to ground. No contact, so that's good. That piece is, which it should be. Okay, so that test is okay. So that power distributor will work. So now you go give me another set of points here that aren't all screwed up. We'll stick them up onto here and see if we make this thing work. See what other issues we have. Knock off the burr I can see. So here's a new set of points. This is some of my dad's old inventory from the late 60s. So these are vintage. It doesn't work that way. See how far on the size that is?
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to not be real conductive for accurate timing. That's how much they got that thing cut down. Quite a bit. Fairly heavy spring tension on it, so it doesn't look like it's wobbling around too much on the bushing as it works. So hopefully it'll repeat halfway close to what it needs to be. We'll have to see. If I want that on the outside or on the inside. I think I like the inside better. Yeah, not really. See, it's not made to fit very accurately there, see? So when you tighten that down, it's going to bend this right here. See how it bends differently? least the spring works better. You look at how the function of the spring is. If I go to the inside, it actually kind of moves it backwards, which is not the direction of movement we want to go. So I'm going to leave it on the outside. I'll go ahead and put the screw back in it here. So basically, this distributor's a piece of crap. Alright, so let's go over here and see what it does on the bike. Over here, let's go ahead and look at this stuff to see how bad it is. See how the weights don't even return?
Mm-hmm.
That's not good. That's why I don't like these automatic advances. They're piles of crap. See all the free play in the spring there?
Mm-hmm.
See the whole spring's moving. You have no tension on the... It's not doing anything for the whole time it does that. That's why they won't idle down. They'll stay at high idle and all of a sudden they'll drop down about 500 RPM and die. Because there's no tension on these things that make them work back and forth. You know, sometimes you can rebend these to make them a little tighter. This one here, we might be able to put a later spring set on it, maybe, because it's a later design mechanism in here. Probably be our best option to try doing that. But, and, just rebending the wire here a little bit. That one I can't seem to fix. That one's barely returning. Alright, let's get this thing apart. Of course, it's lubricated with rust. That's always a plus. Okay, these look just like late springs, so I'm gonna go compare them with a late set and see if I can put a later set in here. So we'll be back.